Welcome to Math Puzzle Channel. I'm Mr. Charles. Today we're going to discuss a question from a Math Olympiad competition. Here is the question. Anna, Billy, Chloe and Derek made the following statements. Anna said, Billy is lying. Billy said, Chloe is lying. Chloe said, Derek is telling the truth. Derek said, Anna is telling the truth. What are the possible numbers of people telling the truth? A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. Only 2. D. 2 and 3. E. Only 3. Feel free to pause the video if you need some time to give this question a try. When you're ready, please resume the video. I will guide you through a step-by-step explanation of how to solve it. Let's start by assuming Anna is telling the truth. This would imply that Billy is lying. Therefore, Billy's statement that Chloe is lying is false, which means Chloe is telling the truth. According to Chloe's statement, Derek is also telling the truth. Derek said, Anna is telling the truth. And since he is telling the truth, it confirms that Anna is indeed telling the truth. This matches our initial assumption. Thus, the assumption is valid with no contradictions. Under this scenario, 3 of them are telling the truth. Next, let's consider the assumption that Anna is lying. If Anna is lying, it means her statement Billy is lying is false, so Billy is telling the truth. According to Billy's statement, Chloe is lying. Chloe said, Derek is telling the truth. But since Chloe is lying, Derek is actually lying. Derek falsely claimed that Anna is telling the truth, which means Anna is lying. This matches our initial assumption that Anna is lying. This assumption is also valid with no contradictions. Under this scenario, only one of them is telling the truth. In conclusion, there are 2 possible scenarios in this question. The possible numbers of people telling the truth are 1 and 3. Therefore, the answer is B. I will create more videos focusing on various mathematical problem-solving skills. If you are interested in Math Olympiad, you may check out the playlist on our YouTube page. See you later.